carrying the ball forward. Nice clean through. Goalkeeper relatively untroubled. Credit to them for winning back possession over the byline, hence a goal kick. And off the top of the crossbar. Sending it deep. Poor decision making. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Knocks it towards to the front. Well-timed tackle. Good ball movement and a decent position here. Opening quarter of an hour complete. Teams looking to establish control. Good play, one-on-one. What a chance! Just the keeper to beat! Oh, brilliant goalkeeping! An effective clearance. Pushing it forward. An opportunity. Oh, that would have been a great start to the game, but that's a bad miss.